Hello, everyone. So now we're going to talk about the challenges candidates face for the TEF or TCF exam. So it's going to be in series. I'm going to talk about the first one, which is the most important one, while the others, you can check the other videos to watch the other challenges. I don't want the video to be too long actually. So let's start. The first one is personal study. I repeat, personal study. Now, you attending classes or registering for classes does not guarantee that you're going to pass your exam. I'm going to say that again for you to hear clearly. You registering for classes or paying a tutor to teach you does not guarantee that you're going to pass your exam. Yes. Now, we have 100% preparation. Okay? Listen to this breakdown. We have 100% preparation. 20% belongs to your teacher or you attending classes, while the 80% belongs to your personal study. You own the 80%. 80% is personal study. The purpose of you having a tutor to teach you or you attending classes is for you to have a guide, someone that would guide you correctly. And the purpose is number one, have a guide. Number two, when you're done with your personal study, or let's say you're a beginner, okay, and you don't know where to start, that's the purpose of classes. You know where to start. But immediately you know where to start, you've gotten the curriculum, the topics to cover. The best thing is start working on it to yourself. So when you come to classes, you can what? Ask questions. You'll be able to ask questions in case you don't understand anything, even if your teacher is going to teach you a topic. Because you've gone over it before, it becomes better. You understand it more better, and you'll be able to ask questions you're expected to ask to have a better understanding. That's the purpose of having a tutor. Are we getting that, please? And the third one is what? For those that does not have people that speak French, you don't have friends that speak French, you are not in a community that speaks French. The purpose of having a tutor is to have a French speaker, a partner. Yes. So your classes are not expected to, number one, you speaking English all through. No. You speak with your tutor. And there is something I need to tell everybody right now is you don't wait till you get 500 words or even 20 words or 50 words before you start speaking. I repeat, you do not need to wait till you get 50 words, 20 words, 30 words before you start speaking. You start speaking from the day you start the class. The little words, even if it is one word you learned, bonjour. Start speaking bonjour. Anybody you see in the morning, oh, bonjour, bonjour, ça va? You learn that. You start speaking. That's how speaking works. If you don't train yourself to talk, trust me, it's going to be very difficult for you to talk. That's the purpose of you having a tutor. So the personal study is the most important thing that would actually help you to ace the exam. I repeat, it's going to help you to ace the exam. So you having a tutor or you attending classes does not guarantee that you're going to pass exam. It's just the way, a guide that would help you actually to pass the exam. I hope we got that. So you having a personal study is very important. Now, we'll talk about personal study. I know some people will be, okay, Grace, I'm going to put 8 hours every day to study. And if you check it, the 8 hours is not 8 hours, 6 hours is not even working, 5 hours is not working. You don't need that. Start small, 30 minutes, 1 hour max in a day. You're just starting to learn the language. Just put it 1 hour, make something achievable, a smart goal. Let it be achievable. Oh, 1 hour every day. I'm going to use it to learn French, practice French for my personal study. 1 hour every day. And you need to be consistent with it. It's better than you being consistent. You using 30 minutes or 1 hour, even if you have a busy schedule. 30 minutes or 1 hour every day, and you're consistent with it, is better than someone that uses 8 hours just once in a week. I repeat, you using 8 hours every day, or I said 8 hours every day, 30 minutes or 1 hour every day is better than someone that uses 8 hours just once in a week. It's better. So you start small And trust me, when you start small, you won't even know when you exceed 1 hour. Yes, you won't know because you're already used to that time. And there's some things you will learn that it would even use more than 1 hour. That's how it exceeds, that's how it goes. That's how it goes. So you don't just start immediately with 8 hours. That's the problem that most students has. So most students have rather. So please and please, I want us to take note of this. Maxi A over